Today, I'd like to introduce you to Vengeance RGB Pro Series memory, our fastest and most mesmerizing addition to our DRAM family. Vengeance RGB Pro has 10 ultra-bright RGB LEDs per module that are diffused for our best-looking DRAM yet. And with IQ software, you can choose from dozens of preset lighting profiles which can be applied across the set or to a single module. Vengeance RGB Pro also synchronizes with other Corsair RGB-enabled products such as CPU coolers, keyboards, and fans with IQ. With its finely tuned performance PCB and carefully screened ICs, we were able to clock Vengeance RGB Pro at 4700 MHz. Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro lights up your PC with dynamic RGB lighting while delivering the best in performance and stability. For more information, head on over to Corsair.com.